and subscribe for more Blackstone videos.
Good YouTube, we on G-Wayne TV, man. Today we doing grilled chicken on a Blackstone, man. Let's get straight into it, man. Let's go. All right, boom, for this up, boom. So you go on first. Up your propane, let your gas through. Let your gas through your line. Then from here, come over here. I don't have my ignition switch set up. So from here you wanna go. That gas running through. That gas running through about 2 of them. Send them holes right there. Got his lighter, stick it through. There you go, lit. By fire, baby. Both sides. And if you want to switch to these sides, just cut them off. You want to take your chicken? Place your chicken down. Take your chicken. Place your chicken down. Take the chicken down. Hit it with seasoning real quick. Like mama. Alright, then transfer it over to the hot side. Alright, let's check this first one right here. We're gonna give it a little more time. I flipped them over one more time. These are cooking. Put these buns on.